Hi, Kennedy Physical Science students. I'm so excited to have you here, and I just wanted to record a quick video to introduce myself. I'm Miss Humes, Claire Humes, and this is a fun picture I made last year for our virtual school week, or virtual spirit week. And I just wanted you to know that school is so much more fun when I get to see you, and my dog, who is so cute in a Kennedy hat, agrees. I wear glasses sometimes because the like I wear blue light glasses, so the screen sometimes gives me headaches. So you'll see me with glasses and without glasses, and that's why. One thing to know about me is that I love my pets, and you'll probably see them a lot because they like to photobomb in my videos. Right now I have my door closed, so I'm stopping that. My cat's name is Margie, and my dog's name is Lily, and they're thriving with so much more attention while we are both home. I could use a break, if I'm being honest. I have a really cool life partner. His name is Josh. He likes to play music and watch soccer and baseball. And we got married recently, and that was really fun, and also the most professional pictures I've ever had taken in my whole life. My family is super important to me. I really like going to baseball games with Josh and my dad. I like to just walk around during the baseball games. They love the baseball. But I do like sports, and I'm coming around to it. I also like to spend time outside with my mom and my sister. My parents are divorced. They divorced about 5 years ago, and so that's why I have separate pictures of them. My sister Laura and I like to spend time together being active. This is us. We did a run for a rescue, like a dog rescue, animal rescue. I forgot. Oh, Secondhand Hounds, maybe is what it's called. And then a couple years ago, we went to Denver, Colorado, and we did such a hard hike. It ended up being 6 hours, but here's the top, and it was so amazing and cool. And I kind of think that it informs my philosophy for teaching in school. It's really hard, but once you get done, it's so worth it. So that being said, I've gone to school a lot. I grew up in Mahtomedi, which is near White Bear Lake, and I went to high school in Mahtomedi. And then I went to Grinnell, Iowa for college, where I studied chemistry and Spanish. Then I went to Louisville, Kentucky after college. I got a master's in teaching, and I started teaching there. And I taught for 6 years there, teaching chemistry. And then I moved back home to be closer to my family. And recently, so I just finished last May, I got an education specialist degree, which means that I have a principal license. So, some things that I really love about school that I'm involved in. I'm a Science Olympiad coach, which we're not sure how that's going to function this year, but that's something that's been really amazing in my life the last couple of years. I'm also a volleyball coach, which has been moved to the spring. So, if you're interested in volleyball, let me know. And one thing I want you to know is that I really just love Kennedy. So Kennedy has been an amazing experience for me. I hope it's going to be an amazing experience for you. And if it's not, then let me know because we need to fix it. We need to make sure that it's good for everybody. And last, but certainly not least, super important, I miss getting to know you and talk to you in person. I miss seeing you work together. I miss hearing your stories. And I just miss being in person. And I don't want to say that in a way that makes everybody sad, but I just want you to know that I really miss that. And I would love to talk to you via email, or I'm excited for our Google Meets. And I'm really looking forward to the school year. All right.